Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and go to apps, and from here open App Store and search here Aliexpress review importer and hit enter. And select this app and click on add app. Install app. And now click on import Aliexpress reviews. And now here you have to enter Aliexpress product URL and import your Shopify product. Type to start searching for a product name. I'm going to type in here the product name from my Shopify store where I want to add the review, and number of reviews to import. You can select the numbers. I'm going to select here 50. Minimum rating, click here and select minimum rating. I'm going to select here 5 stars only. And now country filter, select those country you want to get reviews from. And content filters, reviews must have content. You can select reviews must have pictures. I'm going to select 2 options and enter here the minimum amount of words. I'm going to select here 10 words, and you can turn on translate to English via Aliexpress option and click on import reviews. And this might take a while if there are many reviews, so please refresh the dashboard after 1 or 2 minutes if they don't show up instantly. So click on go to home page and click on reviews. So here you can see the reviews has been added here. To edit review, click on edit, and now you can edit your review here. You can add a picture, or if you want to delete the review, click on delete, and now click on products. So here you can see I have added Aliexpress review to my Shopify product. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.